Hello everyone, I am Emilia Aguirre and this is my project. My project is about environment issues, and in this case, I am going to tell you soil degradation. First, what is the soil degradation? Soil degradation is a change of the soil where there is a decrease in the capacity of the ecosystem to produce some benefit. In other words, there is when the soil don't have any life. It is like dead. It don't have any function. And why it happened? Well, the first reason of this is the deforestation, the pollution, and the expansion of the cities. And what is the actual situation around the world? It is considered that currently around 25% of the world's lands are affected by different levels of degradation. Also, the 30% being under risking, 47% due to agriculture, and 73% due to grazing. And what can we do to reduce these effects? First, coordinate the management of the land and water the resources to avoid erosion, salinization, and the other forms of degradation. Two, protect the vegetative cover of the soil against wind and water erosion. And another three, not depend of the traditional use of the land. We can investigate and use other forms to use the land. And what it means everything about I say before? Well, first I told you about the coordination of the management of land. It means that the people have to be organized, have to coordinate between, have to talk about it. The second, it is about protect the vegetative cover. Well, it is of the deforestation. It is of the deforestation. Okay, we don't have to deforestate to do something else. And last but not least, the another form is about the agriculture. Well, we have to not to be the same, not to use the same form that we use the land 50 years ago. We have to explore it, we have to investigate more and do another form to use the land, and not only that. And what happens if we don't do anything about it? And there is bad news. If we don't do anything, we can live without it because we need the soil to the food. We need to soil to everything. And if we don't do anything, the soil will die in 20 or 30 years. We can eat anything of the soil because of that, because the most part of the soil around the world will be dead. It won't be able to produce some food, some aliment, some plants. So if we don't do anything about it, if we don't stop to the to deforestation, to the pollution of or another things that I say before, we will going to die. And how I mentioned it before, if we don't have the soil, we don't have anything. So you think what endangered species die because of these environment issues? Well, um, it is a lot of species that die because of this. Because well, the soil is life.